Automated Industrial Motion manufactures a full line of CNC spring coilers and specializes in custom coiling solutions. What differentiates AIM from other spring coiling equipment manufacturers is our expertise and focus on turnkey automated spring processing systems. Spring manufacturers require adaptable, dependable equipment that can handle a wide variety of coiling jobs. By reducing their reliance on legacy systems, spring manufacturers can take control of their coiling operations. That means reliable production, on-demand changeovers, consistent quality, and increased profitability. The custom coiling solutions we build center on our core products, state-of-the-art CNC coiling machines. Our range of coilers can handle nearly any thickness of wire, from 6/1000 to over 3/4 of an inch in diameter. This custom setup is a recent example that features our AIM 2000 6-axis CNC spring coiler, capable of coiling wire diameters from 47/1000 to 180/1000 of an inch. The coiler is outfitted with a custom AIM cassette tooling package. This core feature creates flexibility to handle multiple coil configurations while simplifying setup, reducing costs, and allowing for fast part changeovers with minimal downtime. This specific system is designed to produce 12 different configurations of compression springs, each with a different wire diameter and varying spring forces. By modifying our cassette tooling, we can achieve nearly any coil configuration, including compression springs, torsion springs, flat stock springs, constant force springs, and basic wire forms. This system utilizes our AIM 2100 powered wire payoff, which ensures consistent quality by regulating the wire feed into the coiler. Our wire payoffs can handle all configurations of wire packaging. After coiling, the parts are evacuated through a custom part chute and sent to an inline stress relief oven for heat treatment. We offer a number of options for stress relief, including inline ovens and resistive heat treatment, all of which aim to maximize quality, speed, and efficiency while meeting your part specifications. This system also includes a cooling conveyor to make sure the heat-treated parts are immediately ready for assembly. To further guarantee quality, we offer options for advanced spring testing, including automated measurements of length and spring force, like this digital free length gauge. We work with you to seamlessly integrate coiling systems into your production process. In many cases, that includes custom channels for coil insertion into assembly lines, like rotary dials and pick-and-place robotics. Watch as this AIM 2000-based system continually produces coil after coil, each one to spec and ready to assemble into the final product. We not only provide equipment tailored to your needs, but we provide a full package from concept to delivery, including design support, process optimization, and equipment integration, as well as ongoing support to make sure your custom equipment keeps running smoothly. If you're ready to integrate flexible, custom coiling solutions into your spring manufacturing operations, Automated Industrial Motion is here to help every step of the way. Take full control of your production process with AIM's proven solutions. Contact us today for a free consultation.